Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 Mechanical Engineering paper. Question number 36 to question number 65 carry 2 marks each. Question number 36 is, in the closed interval 0 to 3, the minimum value of the function f given below is fx is equal to 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x. Option A 0, option B 4, option C 5 and option D 9. So here fx is given as 2x cube minus 9x square plus 12x. So if we differentiate it with respect to x, then f dash x, so we can say it is f dash x, is your, so differentiation of x cube is 3x square, so it will be 6x square, and it will be 18x, and this will be 12x. So now for maxima or minima, this f dash x should be equal to 0, or we can say 6x square minus 8x plus 12 should be 0, or x square minus 3x plus 2 should be equal to 0, or we can say x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 should be equal to 0, or we can say x bracket x minus 2 bracket close minus 1 bracket x minus 2 bracket close is equal to 0, or we can say x should be equal to 1, or x should be equal to 2. So now we again differentiate this f dash x, then it will be 12x minus 18. Okay, and we put the value of x as 1, then f double x double dash x will be your negative, because 12 minus 18 is minus 6, negative. So if it comes out negative, so at x is equal to 1, the fx gives maximum value. Now we put x equal to 2, it will give 12 into 2, 24 minus 18, that is 6. It is positive value. If it comes out with positive value, then at x is equal to 2, x will give minimum value. So f2 is putting the value of x as 2, f2 comes out as 4. But if we put x is equal to 0, then we get the value of function as 0, so which is further lower than this 4. So answer is minimum value of f is 0. Okay, so this is local minima. This can be local minima, but absolute minima is this at x equal to 0. So answer is option A.